Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to write a program to find the greatest of three numbers in Python. So given three numbers, so you have to find the greatest among these three numbers and print it. So that is a problem statement. So let's ask a user to enter three numbers and compare among these and print the maximum or the greatest number. So let's take a variable a equals, let me use input function here, and let's ask a user to enter first number. So once the user enters the first number, so this will be in the string format, that is string type. So we need to convert this using the integer, that is int type conversion, and it will be stored in the variable a. So now let's take another variable b and let me use again input function, and here let's ask a user to enter second number. Again we have to convert these to integer using the type conversion. I'm using int function call, and once we get the first and second number, so let's take the third, that is third variable c equals to, let's use input function again and let's ask a user to enter third number. Again convert these to an integer using the type conversion. So once we get the first three numbers, so let's assume the greatest is the first number, greatest equals to a. So now let's compare the greatest with the b and c and try to swap if b is greater or c is greater. So let's use if statement and check if greatest is less than the b value. So if this is true, then greatest will become the b. So that is assigning b to the greatest. So now let's check if greatest is less than c, then greatest will become the c. So let's use if statement again and let's check if greatest is less than c. So if greatest is less than c, greatest will become the c. That is assigning the value, that is the greatest, to c. So now once we get the greatest, so that will be stored in this variable. So now let's print the greatest among these three numbers. So let's use print function and let's copy the same, that is greatest of three numbers is greatest of three numbers is, let's give colon and let's print the variable that is greatest. So this is the complete program to find the greatest among the three numbers. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the first number, let's say 1, 2, 3. So you can see greatest of three numbers is 3. Now let me run this again. Now let's give 3 to 1. And you can see greatest of three numbers is 3. Now let's make the middle number as greatest. Let's give a 2, 3 and 1. So you can see greatest among these three numbers is 3. So now let's give some bigger values like 1000. Let's give 500, 1000 and minus 500. So you can see greatest of these three numbers is 1000, that is a middle number, that is a b. So this is the complete program to find the greatest among the three numbers by asking a user to enter and then comparing it with the greatest, that is the first, taking the first variable as greatest and comparing it with the others, and finally printing the greatest of three numbers. So this completes the video. That's it in this video. I'll give this code in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.